Coming? Come on. Boom! There goes the puppies. While they're having a bit of a smoko break here, the puppies gets a little break too, but all we're going to be doing here is, oh geez, for those of you that say that I get the cream, I'm not going to back down on that on this occasion, because I'm pretty sure that 3 tractors and a couple of pallets or something here is going to be pretty creamy for me. So in a couple of minutes, we'll be whacking on, that load, be parking up and heading up to Brisbane at some stage tomorrow afternoon. All right, suppose better get to it then. Yeah, not a bad idea. Ooh, this could be a great day. It could be. I might switch off the phone after this video, so that way I don't take any more calls and have any surprises along the way. All right, let's go. Still got plenty over here. Yeah, I think that's about it. Tilt forward. You may need to come back just a little bit. And that's a job well done. So a little over half an hour there. I tell you what, the difference between having a couple of blokes like that are extremely experienced, know what they're doing. It's not very often I let people drive things onto my trailer, but you know, they're that good here and their communication skills are top notch. So it means you can do it quickly, efficiently, and most importantly, safely. So we got all that done. 3 tractors on there and a couple of things on the back, and that's pretty well going to be all she wrote. I'm very pleased with this tidy load. So, all right, guys, we'll have a fantastic weekend. And while I noticed the TruckWiz logo here, remember we're doing a deal this weekend. If you jump on the website, download the TruckWiz app from there, you get a free Toes Trucking Stories Truck Whiz bottle opener. So there you go. Jump on there, have a look at that, and I'll probably see you up the highway, I guess, over the next couple of days. But for me, I'm about due for a 24-hour break. Catch us later.